Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from One Stop Solution. In this video, I will show you how to scan Telegram QR code. Scanning a QR code on Telegram allows you to quickly add contacts or join groups with ease. So, let's get started on how to scan Telegram QR code. First, open the Telegram app. Tap on the settings option from the bottom left corner of your screen. Go to the devices settings. Here you can see the link desktop device option. Tap on it. This will open your camera ready to scan a QR code. Now, place the Telegram QR code you want to scan within the square field on your screen. The app will automatically recognize and scan the QR code linking your device. And this is how you can scan Telegram QR code. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.